One day, the same friend of mine, Ali, came back to me with another complaint. He said, "Now I can build sentences better, but when I speak, grammar keeps interrupting me." He told me that while speaking, his mind keeps asking questions like, is this the correct tense? Should I use has or have? Is this sentence grammatically right or wrong? Because of this, he keeps stopping, correcting himself, and losing confidence. And honestly, this is a very common problem for English learners. I told Ali something very simple but very important. Fluent speakers do not think about grammar while speaking. Grammar is not something you use when you speak. Grammar is something you learn before speaking. When you speak your native language, you don't think about rules, you follow them automatically. English works the same way, but only if grammar moves into the background of your mind. The problem happens when learners try to speak and study at the same time. Speaking is a skill, and skills need flow. If you stop the flow to check grammar, the sentence breaks. I told Ali that when you are speaking, grammar checking should be completely off. Even if the sentence is not perfect, it should continue. Stopping is worse than making a mistake. Ali was surprised and asked me, "Then what is grammar for?" I told him grammar is like training wheels. You use it while practicing slowly, but you remove it when you want to ride fast. Grammar helps you understand patterns, but it should never control your mouth while you are speaking. I also explained to him that most grammar mistakes don't block communication. Pauses do. Native speakers care more about understanding than perfection. When you speak confidently, even with small mistakes, people understand you. But when you pause too much, they lose the connection. Fluency is about rhythm, not rules. Another thing I told Ali was to accept simple sentences. Many learners try to sound advanced, and that forces them to think about grammar. Simple English is powerful. Simple English is fast. When you allow yourself to speak simply, your grammar naturally improves over time without pressure. Ali then changed one important habit. While practicing, he separated learning from speaking. When he studied, he focused on grammar calmly, but when he spoke, he completely ignored grammar. This separation made a huge difference. His speaking became smoother and his confidence increased. After a few weeks, Ali told me something interesting. He said, "Now when I speak, I don't hear grammar rules in my head anymore. I just speak." His English was not perfect, but it was natural, clear, and confident. And that is exactly how real English fluency looks. If you want to speak English without stress, remember this. Grammar should guide your learning, not control your speaking. Let your sentences flow. Mistakes will fix themselves with time. If this video helped you, and you want more simple and practical English speaking videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and keep learning with me.